Hi, my name is Al. Today, I'm gonna talk about flat pack furniture. If you are renting or saving for your first home, then flat pack is one of the affordable ways to go when it comes to buying furniture. This type of furniture is usually made of fiberboard or chipboard. Fiberboard is a lot cheaper than solid wood, but shares a lot of similar properties. Here are 5 tips in building flat pack furniture to make them last longer. Number 1. Unpack and lay out all the parts. Carefully unpack the parts and lay them out on a carpeted floor or any soft surface. This will prevent unwanted damage and scratches on your furniture. Laying out the parts also makes it easier to check if they are complete and makes the build process seamless. Number 2. Study the assembly instructions. Differentiate the parts and study how they come together. Some parts may look very similar, but you can save time and avoid error by laying out the parts as shown in the instructions. Make sure that you don't skip a step so you don't waste time in this assembly. Number 3. Use wood glue. Using wood glue on the wooden dowels strengthens and reinforces your furniture. It makes it more durable and stable. Ensure you apply plenty of glue on the dowel and the slots. Apply pressure when pushing the dowels in, or use a hammer. Number 4. Tighten the screws. Tighten the screws so you don't end up with a wonky table. However, you might end up damaging the furniture if you do it too much. The best way is to tighten the screws until you feel resistance, and then tighten it a bit more. Tighten the cam and cam dowels as much as you can. Number 5. Take care of your furniture. The furniture manual usually have instructions on care and maintenance. Each furniture is different. But in general, avoid placing your furniture near heat sources and moisture. Heat and moisture can deform your furniture over time and decrease its longevity. As a bonus tip, you can make your furniture stronger through reinforcement. Put extra slats underneath the drawers so it can carry more weight. Secure your furniture to the wall to prevent it from tipping over. Flat pack furniture usually come with parts to do this, either by drilling holes into the wall or using double-sided tape. If you are short on budget or want to invest money elsewhere, buying flat pack furniture is a reasonable option. If you take good care of your furniture, it will serve you well, and this will help you save a lot of money in the long run. If you enjoyed this video, hit like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.